Guys, the client just chewed us out for the first time over our 900-ton crane. We've been here for days, just raising and lowering the main boom. They think we're just wasting time. Who should take the blame for this? Anyway, good morning, guys. Let's get back to work. Hey, bro, did you have fun last night? I had a blast, mostly because you were miserable. Don't even mention it. My drone crashed again yesterday. Luckily, I had coverage, so a replacement is arriving this afternoon, costing me $1,000. The replacement fee is $1,000. It's awesome that it's getting delivered so fast, just in time for our afternoon shift. That aerial view is essential for work. Let's hope it doesn't crash again. By the way, we clocked out early yesterday, right at dusk. Evening work disrupts the site, hence the early finish. Let me show you exactly where my drone lost control yesterday. It likely hit some electromagnetic interference. I noticed another drone drifting weirdly in that same spot yesterday morning, which felt off. Thankfully, it didn't hit anyone or anything when it fell. That's a huge relief. All right, let's start assembling the tower boom. We already hoisted the tension plates yesterday. Now we're connecting the front sections to narrow it down. This is Mr. Wang from Anhui Dongjie, the boss who hired us for this job. We are incredibly grateful for the opportunity. He's supervising here to make sure we finish early. Just kidding. He's a really fun guy, so we always joke around with him. He visited our company a couple of weeks ago and we had dinner together. Next time I'm in Hefei, I'm definitely hitting you up. Guys, Zhong Lingtong is so thankful to Mr. Wang. If it weren't for him taking care of us, we wouldn't have started this project yet. We still have 2 boom sections left, but it looks like we're out of space. Lou suggested we raise the main boom and connect them mid-air. We'll have to wear harnesses, climb up, and secure the pins. It's the only way, as we barely lack space for the final jib section. Let's see how the on-site crew handles it. Lou probably planned it this way. I initially thought about pulling the boom from the back, but they pulled from the front. Pulling from the back is tricky because the 100-ton crane lacks maneuvering space. Watch your hands, old man. Guys, we're about to attach the final jib section. We need to route the wire rope first before raising the main boom, or it'll be too difficult later. Sani is taking this project very seriously. They've assigned 3 of their after-sales technicians to help us with the wiring up front. Take a look, guys. The engineering on these modern machines is simply incredible and beautiful, though standard strength isn't enough here. You can hear the hydraulics working. Oh no, the boom is stuck now! We were just about to insert the final pin, which isn't done yet. Wait, I hear the oil flowing now. Did you press the green button to turn the indicator on? No, it's not working. It was lifting just fine earlier, and the tower boom isn't even fully loaded yet. Luckily, the technicians are here to diagnose the issue. Give it a try, Lou. It's still stuck, guys, The main boom just won't budge. The two technicians are up there investigating, but they seem stumped. They said it lifted fine during the last test run, so this is really strange. Let's try inching the 100-ton auxiliary crane forward a bit. If it still doesn't lift, we're out of options, especially since trucks can't get in here. If they could, we'd just hoist from inside the cab. It's going up! What was the issue? I have no idea. Stop lifting now, that's enough. It's too high to pin now. Lower it just a tiny bit so we can connect it. A bit more? Perfect. Hold it right there. All right, I'll go ask them what happened. Guys, I'm curious what caused the boom to stall earlier. Okay, I see. They explained that the luffing cylinder hit a specific overload pressure limit. It apparently required some kind of unlock, which goes over my head. Anyway, we're attaching the final section now. Thank goodness it finally lifted. If we couldn't raise this boom today, the project managers would have definitely cursed us out. Let's quickly secure this final jib section. Then we'll rig the tension plates and get it partially set. We'll finish the prep work this morning, even if it means a little overtime, so we're ready right after lunch. Oh, food's here, guys. Feels like we barely got anything done this morning, but it's time for our boss's favorite meal. Look how happy he is. Let's eat. But wait, hold on a second. We haven't finished up top yet. Are you just going to wait? The wiring is fully connected now. I initially thought this tower frame needed hydraulic line because of that cylinder, but they said it's a hydro-pneumatic system without external lines. We're about to attach the main hook and start raising the boom. Once it's up, we'll call the management for an inspection. After that, we're ready to hoist, though I'm not sure if they plan to lift anything today. Let's just finish our tasks first. As usual, guys, we do a final check on the safety pins to ensure they're secure before lifting the boom and retracting it. Let's rig a two-part line for the hook since the maximum load is just 28 tons. Hey guys, the boom stopped moving again halfway up, and we've been waiting a while. What's going on? A bunch of alarms are going off for wind speed and limit switches. The technician is up there fixing it, and it's already past 4. We probably can't hoist anything today, so getting the crane set up for inspection is our best bet. It's scorching hot, and another wire seems faulty. We're going to get an earful if we don't get this boom up today. They're using a lift to check underneath. The tech gave the green light, so we're finally raising the boom. By the way, guys, we're back from lunch and the replacement drone just arrived. Let's do a quick unboxing video to make sure the replacement drone works perfectly. Wow, it's brand new. Honestly, I'm a bit traumatized to fly again after the crash. It's the next morning and we're ready to hoist. The 100-ton crane is moving the load over to us. We'll use a flatbed truck parked in the middle to relay it. Gotta be careful flying the drone today. Fly it however you want, we have replacement coverage. I'm just jealous mine crashed and yours didn't, though sometimes they survive falls. Those trucks on the road carry the cooling equipment we need to hoist. We'll wait for Mr. Wang's truck to transfer the load to our crane. We raised the main boom yesterday and kept it ready since we ran into those delays earlier. This is our crane's first tower project, and the site crew definitely chewed us out for treating it like a test run. But Sani's techs have been very supportive. The truck is loaded and heading our way. We'll lift the cargo, move the truck, and do our standard 10-minute test hover strictly for safety. As this video wraps up, huge thanks to Mr. Wang and the client for their trust and patience with our delays. The assembly issues were completely our fault, but everyone was incredibly understanding and patient as we sorted it out. I have to admit, the actual hoisting goes incredibly fast. Setting the hook takes barely 10 minutes. We might finish hoisting all 12 cooling towers today, though the diesel generator arrives later. All right, the first unit is successfully in place. This first one is 6 tons at the maximum 60-meter radius, and we're prepping for the second unit now since the heavy generator comes later. With the first lift successful, the rest should be smooth sailing. Huge thanks again to Mr. Wang and the client for their patience with my mistakes. We completely deserve to get yelled at since we were underprepared for this crane's first tower project. There are no excuses when you mess up. That's it for this video, guys. We'll hustle now and try to finish these lifts today.